Hey, it's ytlourdesalden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Jennifer Chuck from Jennifer's Body, and let's get into it. I'll be priming my eyes and my face with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. To moisturize my lips, I'll be using the Lana Lip Treatment in Lemonade. From the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, I'll be using the shade Butter as my transition shade and along my lower lash line, crease, and blend it all out. To define my eyes more, I use the shade Buns in my crease and the outer V of my eye, and also making a cat eye shape. Smudging Buns into my lower lash line as well, blending everything out. Onto the outer V and lower lash line, I used the shade Mocha to darken it a little bit, but not too dark. I wanted to keep it more natural, like an everyday makeup look that Megan Fox would wear. On my eyelid, brow bone, and inner corner of my eye, I used the Wet n Wild Contour palette in Caramel Toffee. For a simple and small winged eyeliner, I used the Silva Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Grease. For false lashes, I used the Ardell Naked Lashes in the style 421. To highlight and cover my entire imperfections, I used the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer Natural. And also defining the shape of my eyes with my concealer to make it more cat-like. Contouring my entire face with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in Espresso. For blush, I used the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Turks and Caicos. Setting my face with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder. Highlighting my face with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter. Lining and filling my lips with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Bumble. For lip gloss, I used the Lana Lip Treatment in Lemonade, and for lipstick, I used the ColourPop Luxe Liquid Lipstick in Can You Even. Starting off with the outfit details, my shoes are from Amazon, jeans Forever 21, bodysuit Forever 21, necklace Amazon, jacket and earrings are from Underground Costume. I hope you guys like this Halloween look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye.